Hello. Today I speak about the power of a Bengali. So I hardly request to you not to skip it. Just watch it till the end. Okay. Bengali. It is not just a name, caste or religion. It is an emotion. It is a symbol of knowledge, faith, power. You can go in all over the India, or not only all over the India, in all over the world. Bengali had a special respect. You can feel it because anyone can believe that Bengali has a unique mindset, unique brain, unique knowledge. But now the situation is very bad. You can imagine it. Just to hear that now we are a content of a famous YouTuber. That how Bengali is so poor. What shameful. And I said to those people who can feel proud to be a Bengali, where goes your value? You have no responsibility to our nation? Or, oh, sorry, not our nation. Not only our nation, it is your nation, it is your state. You have responsibility to our religion. If you have the power, you should do to a common Bengali. For a common Bengali. You remember when British ruled us? They also respect Bengali because they know the value of a Bengali because they are educated and they knows what can do a Bengali person. But nowadays, I have nothing to say about our rulers' eligibility, and it all happens just for the dirty politics. And our tradition, our culture is decay and destructed by those people who have no education, no value, and no humanity, but they have power. And the best thing I said to you that if a few years ago our Bengali won Nobel for economy and our state economy status is the lowest in India. Where goes our value? Where goes our mindset? Where goes our brain? Just remember the situation, the position that destroyed our talent in the ground level. Very few students, very few people has their own talent in any field, but they have no value because anyone can see them. And I said those people who have the power, please, please find the jewels to rescue, to restore our culture, our tradition, our brain, our education. The main thing I said to you, the education system is very, very, very bad. And I said those people who have the power, who have the knowledge, who have the money, please, please save us. Please save our culture. Please save our talent. But it is right that we are lazy. But always remember, a big person said that don't ignore a lazy one because he have the power to do a hard work in a easy way. And it is also right that every person, every Bengali person has a unique idea, and that is the power to change our nation. But there is no one who can support those ideas. Finally, I said those people who have the power, please recognize those talent in the ground level and restore our culture, tradition, knowledge. Thank you. And if I wrong or right, please comment and share it for them who have the sense to understand it. Jai Hind.